Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? Today is a very good news for Cardano holders, but this time Cardano losing very high. You can see that the changes of Cardano holders, you can see that 0.77% lost. It's a very big change, but don't forget you can see that the highest change of here 1.18 USD dollar. This is a very high change and this is absolutely good, but if we can see the 2-hour result, check it out. You can see that the 2-hour result is also very lost. You can check it out. The 2-hour result, or we lost 1.93. Cardano holders, this is not good, but if we can see that the 4-hour result, let's me check it out. The 4-hour result, this is also very lost. What's this, Cardano holders? I think this is not a buying time, this is selling time, guys. What is this? What I do, please comment me to what I do. This is selling time or buying time? Cardano losing more and more. And if you can see that the 12-hour result, let me check it out. The 12-hour result, what's this? This is also losing. Cardano are losing with hour by hour. You can see that the result of Cardano, you can see that they're losing hour by hour. What is this? Please suggest me, please subscribe ABS Tech channel, and don't forget to like the video. Okay guys, see you next time and see you next update. This is bad update. I think this is bad update. Hope I upload next update. Next update is very good, inshallah. Next update is very good. Please subscribe channel and press the bell icon for new videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.